What if I told you? The number 2323 isn't just a coincidence. It's a wake-up call from the universe. And once you understand its message, your entire path in life could shift. Think about this. How often have you seen 2323? On a clock, a receipt, or even in random places? At first it feels strange, almost too perfect to be random. That's because it's not. The number 2323 is a signal of alignment, a message that your thoughts, your actions, and your opportunities are starting to line up. It's the universe whispering, stay on the path. Don't give up now, but here's the catch. 2323 isn't just encouragement, it's also a test. Because every time you see it, life is asking you a question. Will you keep doubting yourself, or finally trust the vision you've been given? Think of it like this. When a plane takes off, the turbulence is strongest in the beginning. That's exactly what happens in your life. The moment you chase growth, resistance shows up. 2323 is the reminder that the turbulence doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're rising. And here's where it gets powerful. 2 represents balance, trust, and faith. 3 represents creativity, growth, and divine guidance. Together, 2323 is a code telling you, your creativity plus your discipline will open doors you never imagined. So the next time you see 2323, don't just smile and ignore it. Ask yourself, what opportunity is life placing in front of me right now? Because here's the truth. 2323 isn't here to inspire you for a moment. It's here to shift your destiny. But only if you listen. So the next time those numbers flash before you, remember, it's not a coincidence. It's a message. The only question is, are you ready to act on it? If this message spoke to you, don't scroll past it. Take this as your sign to trust the process and start building the life you know you're meant to live.